What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your KeyBank's online banking account. Now before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's get on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to search for KeyBank login and click on the first link over here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Over here, click on where it says sign on right under online banking over here, and it'll take you to its sign up page. And once you're on its sign up page, enter your username over here and then enter your password over here, and then just click on sign on and you should be able to log in into your KeyBank's online banking account. So hope you guys were able to understand, and if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye everybody and have a nice day.